Hi, good day, it's Ryan from JVA Security. I'm super excited here to introduce our new QT range for the home and residential market. At JVA, we've traditionally developed products for large-scale, high-security sites, being industrial or commercial, where energizers are required to power long perimeter fences that are multi-zoned or sectorized for accurate detection. These systems are not necessarily needed for the smaller residential market, and that is why we have developed the JVA QT Energizer range. At JVA, we've kept the QT range affordable by using the approach of don't pay for what you're not going to use. The user has the option to have a basic out-of-the-box plug-and-play solution, but the ability to customize and upgrade depending on your needs and budget. The QT range gives you a choice of either a 1 joule or 3 joule output. Today we're going to look at the QT13 as we have it here. As you can see, the QT is a compact yet stylish unit that can be placed anywhere in the house. It comes with a key switch. This allows you to arm and disarm the system, as well as your AC mains for the input power. The AC power gets converted into 24 volt DC through the built-in transformer. As we open up the QT, we can then see where the battery sits. This battery compartment sits separate to the PC board. The QT comes with the choice of either a lithium battery or lead acid. If you are using the lead acid battery, use these leads provided in the QT box. Your 2.2 amp lead acid battery is your more economical choice. However, the lithium ion, which is a 3.6 amp, can last up to 4 times longer. If you plug the system in here, you'll see how the PC board activates. From this point, you have power through your entire PC board. Here you have your input relays. Your input relay is to arm and disarm the system, your gate alarm, relay 1, 2, and 3. Relay 1 is for your siren as default, 2 is your strobe, and 3 is your gate alarm. On the end, we have our 12 volt auxiliary output used to power these relays and devices. On the bottom terminals, you will see your high voltage terminals. You only have a feed and return, as well as one earth. These terminals can then go out through these slots onto your electric fence. You are now able to arm and disarm your system via the key switch. However, what you can see here is your onboard RF antenna. Through the additional purchase of your JVA remote, you can now arm and disarm your system from a distance, put it into low power mode, or use it as a panic button. As is, this is a standard system that can now be used via the remote or via the key switch. If you feel you want to unlock its full potential, we can now add on the JVA VKP module. This VKP module simply slots onto the PC board. You now have the same functionality as the rest of our Z-range security energizers. The VKP module now allows you to connect directly to the QT Energizer to allow you to do full customizations of your QT. You can adjust fence voltages, alarm thresholds, as well as alarm pulses. You can also see your input voltage, as well as arm and disarm instead of using a key switch or JVA remote. Connecting your QT via the VKP module, you can now connect your Wi-Fi, and then that allows you to connect it through to our Cloud Router app. The Cloud Router will then allow you to have full control and monitoring of your QT system from anywhere in the world. You can arm, disarm, as well as receive push notifications from your QT Energizer. If that's not enough, the QT is also a built-in radio frequency interface. This interface allows you to add wireless devices such as your PIRs, door contacts, and RoboGuard outdoor beams. This creates an all-in-one security solution through the QT Energizer upgrade. So this great little Energizer has all the potential benefits of our other security Z-range energizers built into it. By making the QT customizable, it keeps it affordable, with the option of being able to upgrade when it suits the customer, depending on their budget or needs. For more information on the JVA QT Energizer, visit our webpage at www.jvasecurity.com.